Quantitative information reveals a relationship between two or more values or set of data. Stephen Few, a renowned researcher on data visualization, describes 7 types of data relationships in his research papers. In the work environment, almost all data-driven communication would describe one or combination of one of these 7 relationships. Let's see what are these 7 types of data relationships. First one is change over time. It is tracking a change in value. For instance, how the number of visitors are increasing on your web page, or how sales of a company has grown over past 5 years. Second one is ranking. It shows how two or more values compare to each other in relative magnitude. For example, chart shows top 5 industry players ranked by annual revenues. Third one is deviation. It shows the amount by which a single value differs from a reference value such as mean or median. For example, percentage change in monthly rainfall versus annual average. Fourth one is nominal comparison. It is a simple comparison of quantitative values of subcategories. For example, comparison of number of employees in each function of a company. Fifth one is composition. It shows how something is divided into parts, generally expressed as percentage. For example, how a market is divided up between competitors or sales is divided between regions. Sixth one is correlation. Correlation defines how two or more set of values are interdependent. If one goes up, what will affect on the other set? Whether they will go up or down, and in what proportion. For example, if car increase speed, how will it impact time taken to cover a particular distance? Graph shows car speed on one axis and time it takes to cover 1 kilometer on the other. Seventh one is distribution. It shows the way in which something is shared out among a group or spread over an area. For instance, graph shows how many customers are there in each market segment, or percentage penetration of a disease amongst different age groups. So before you start making graphs in Excel, think it over. What's the purpose of your graph? Which of these data relationships will help you convey your message? In the next module, we will learn about the type of visual representations and which ones are appropriate to show each of these 7 data relationships.